With every generation, the purebred dogs we love get a little better. Faster, stronger, with unmatched grace and beauty. Until they're ready to take on the world. 52 of the world's best dogs gathered under their nation's flags in California in a showdown to be named Eukanuba World Challenge Champion. For 2 consecutive nights, dogs from every continent faced off to compete for the ultimate title.
The Old English Sheepdog, number 12 from Sweden.
In a spirited competition, these champion canines showed why they are among the best in the world. Then, it was up to the judge to select 3 top dogs, including the Eukanuba World Challenge Champion. Earning the judge's point, the toy poodle from Japan.
Thank you very much.
And the national champion from America. And finally, it was time to pick the winner.
I really cannot believe it that she is now the Eukanuba World Champion. That makes me happy.
From 52 nations they came to be named the Eukanuba World Challenge Champion. But more importantly, they gathered in the spirit of friendship and a shared devotion to dogs. Eukanuba, in conjunction with the American Kennel Club and FCI, the World Canine Organization, is proud to present this international celebration of the world's best dogs.